Hello everybody, Sean here at Rush Peterbilt Orlando. Gonna do a quick video today on this 2020 Peterbilt 348 flatbed with piggyback Moffett capability on the back of it to carry your forklift. 66,000 GVW, 20 front, 46 rears, PX9 Paccar engine with an Allison automatic. Very popular truck for us here, for the guys delivering sod, concrete blocks, anything on a pallet. It's got your capability to hook up your forklift. This is a universal mount back here, so it'll take any brand of forklift that mounts on the back of a flatbed truck. So no need to worry there about what brand your forklift is and whether or not it's going to work on this truck. It's a universal mount, work on any brand. 24-foot bed. Let's hop inside real quick, take a peek. Dual high back seats, exhaust brake, Allison automatic. Let's see here. If you'd like more info on this truck, please feel free to reach me on my cell phone, 804-516-6212, 804-516-6212. Again, this is Sean at Rush Peterbilt, Orlando, Florida, 1925 West Princeton Street. Thank you.